Konichiwa kimono wearers and friends. To maintain this extreme level of snowboarding and skiing, we treat our bodies like temples, temples of purity and power. And to fuel these temples, only the most healthy and pure foods, clinically proven to enhance endurance capability and muscular density, will find their way into our gullets. Our eating for mountain success secrets will soon be your eating for mountain success secrets.
Hey? Yeah, I think so.
Billiken Shokudo. It takes bookings. It serves a bit of everything. In the description I'll leave links to previous vids on places to eat. Have a look for extra endurance capability and muscular density. Fried chicken, calamari, takoyaki.
Had this chicken last time and it was friggin' awesome, so I'm having it again. Do the big reveal! Oh yeah! Katsudon. Katsudon, yeah?
Yeah.
I should know, I ordered it, eh? What's this man?
Pork with
No idea.
rice.
What's this man?
Yummy.
What is it?
Ramen.
Salt noodle ramen
Yep. With some.
with extra peas.
Yeah.
Beans. What's this one? Ange, what'd you get?
Tempura and soba.
Tempura soba. How are those tempura soba noodles?
Tasty.
Tasty. How are the salty noodles?
Not salty.
Not salty?
Nope.
Cool. How's the spice level?
It's delicious.
Delicious. That's
It's
good.
not very spicy.
Okay. Go then. Chuck it. Plenty of stuff here to fill your tummy. After a good morning of boarding, definitely deserve this katsu curry. 1700 yen. Bargain. Get that good stuff into you.
Genki burger for burgers and fries. Very small place. Will help max out your muscular density.
I think the bag is stopping the...
Burger got a bit small, didn't it?
Oyaki are steam buns which are a regional speciality of the Nagano prefecture. Yeah, nice positioning. Inga from Sweden, you limelight hog. This place is on Toyo Dori.
They're burning. Pumpkin flavoured with miso. Pretty good. Definitely taste the miso. And warm too. Delicious. Hey doggy! Another doggy! Hello! So this is a large curry rice for 1600 yen. You got a sandwich behind there, Budgie?
Illegally.
You know you're not allowed to bring food in here. Put that map down.
Toyo ramen for plenty of ramen choices, some rice dishes and delicious sides. Doesn't take bookings.
Oh! Break a leg. That.
GYOZA squid. Gyudon bowls with a go today. And a wonton ramen. And the karage chicken. Do the slurp. It's good effort. Go Ramen, Emma Aika. Now if you came all the way to Japan to have pizza at a ski resort, this is where to get it in Nozawa. Japanese, Italian, capricciosa and margherita pizzas. 5 more minutes cooking time and they would have been just right. As it was, they were a bit soggy. Hanging around waiting for our Daimon dinner.
Pretty small place, doesn't take bookings.
Hot soba, prawn tempura, simmered egg. Hot soba, prawn tempura, simmered egg. Hot soba, prawn tempura, simmered egg. Hot soba, prawn tempura. And that would be the simmered egg. Do it again, Slurp King. Go! Not bad.
It's got so much batter on it.
It's a big prawn.
It's not a big prawn. It's just the batter.
Look at that. I got that. The trick is not getting so much on your first thing and getting a long noodle.
I'll just plough it in. Oh, they got a tempura lady. Right, come with this coloured noodles. Get it?
I think so.
Sol green for burritos, sandwiches, sides, or a hot drink.
The matcha latte and the matcha latte with oat milk for ladies.
Sorry, what's your name? What's his name?
Son,
Son.
son, how are you?
Where's Son?
O Genki desu ka?
Son. Konichiwa.
Heading up the Ueno Terra chair. And that's all I got to say.
Cafe and Rest Olive at the Hokage base.
Smile. KFC fried chicken. Good chicken?
Crunchy chicken.
Crunchy chicken, nice.
What we got was tasty, but not great value compared to Akari elsewhere. Yama Bar, just up past the Oyu Public Onsen, does take bookings.
Apple sour, 2 premiums and a ginger beer.
What's hard?
Yama Bar curly fries.
With seaweed salt.
2 pork, 1 chicken, fried goodness. Right, this is the porky walkie.
These were super tasty. Should have just ordered heaps and called it a meal.
So you got the chicken one. I know it. Yeah, it's good. Looks tender and good.
It's good.
Moist.
This one's good.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hello, beer. Give us your best smile. Not bad. Now you. Hey. Oh, bloody hell. It's a family of freaks. The sauce katsu don. Just topped up with extra sauce, bit of mayo and togarashi spices. Akari Swiss House Bakery for din-dins. I think Nick might be code for hot dog. Prosciutto with mushroom pizza. Napolitana with prosciutto. Salami and olive. Looks delicious. What's this?
Salami and mushroom.
Salami and mushroom. How's everyone's pizzas?
going to my olives are called
Bellissimo.
traditional Napolitano with olives and
Keep in mind you're in Japan, so mushrooms on pizza are slightly different over here. Heading down to the food village. Heading down to
food village.
Heading down to the food village for tonight's feed. There's the food village.
About 6 different places to choose from, one of them serving up Thai stuff.
Kicking off with some takoyaki. What is it? Katsudon. Sweet. Bhaji.
Yakisoba.
Yakisoba. You haven't even tasted it. How do you know it's yaki? And another, that's another katsudon. Some fried rice and gyozas. Chili thief reporting a chili thief. There he goes. Matcha ice cream. Master of stating the bleeding obvious. Come and get your mini beers.
Eating out is part of holidaying, but keep in mind self-catering from convenience and grocery stores is great in Japan.
Cutlet sandwich, tuna mayo, onigiri, drinks. What kind of noodles are these?
Soba noodle.
Sobies. I don't know what these are. I hope they're good. This is like the dinner of skiing returning champions, which is why I'm having it. Hope you two can keep up tomorrow with me and Ange.
The Paralympian.
Well, you and Rob, yeah.
Who the fuck is Audrey Bottomley?
Inari, potato salad.
Chicken skewers. Fried fish, croquettes. Bit more potato salad. 215 yen for this fish. Bloody amazing. Chicken skewers too. Budgie's on the Insta 360 helpline, just working out how to use it. He had a few questions. Man, how did I get them to taste smoky as well? From a supermarket. Get that out of my nose. Nothing better than Japanese fruit, especially strawberries. Things are looking pretty grim. They're trying to explain to Pete, to Budgie, difference between the 360-degree lens and the single lens, front and back. Let's just say they've been at this conversation for 30 minutes. Presentation from Ramen is on point. What is it? Just apart from strawberries.
I think it's the Japanese yogurt cake.
Lovely. Leftover strawberries. Budgie's finished his lessons on the Insta 360. That was 90 minutes worth. How to turn it off and on. And Inga from Sweden has his noodles.
And that is eating in Nozawa. The convenience store in Nozawa is pretty small, but you can put together a simple meal. There is a big supermarket in Yama if you really want to stock up on things, and all the places we ate at were reasonably priced. Thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!